Here's a quick example. I was trying to remind myself of how to enable Loop, and I knew that there's commands, there's various policies that you can enable, but there was something released where you can go and enable it quickly with just one click for all of your organization. So I used the Edge browser, went to Bing, searched for enable Loop, and this is an example of how the search experience has changed. That where I would normally expect to see a list of results and I'd trawl my way through it, the good portion of this first part of the page is all about Copilot and Bing for Business or the Bing search that we get from AI. I've got a chat box. It is taken up, what would you say, 2/3 of the page. I've searched for the search string enable Loop, and it's come back with a few different results, and that way I could just check it through. Now, the one that I'm looking for is actually the first one, and it is about signing into the admin center as a global admin, and it steps me through and reminds me where I can find the quick one-click way of enabling Loop. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I've got references, so that's cool. I could click through and see that. Yep, good. It opens up on a new page and I can confirm, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. There is a bit more detail here because it is a larger topic, but it will cover the cloud policies and the other granular things that I could do to enable it. But the section that I'm looking for, of course, is over here in being able to simply turn it on for my whole organization. Now, about the other results, so this is I guess the results that came back in the chat box. I'm not sure, is this really the full, I don't know, it's Copilot, it's showing me something that I could copy and paste and use somewhere, so it's helping me compose something that I might want to take and put into a chat or an email and say, here's the information. I've got other things that people ask, but I haven't anywhere on this page really got a traditional list of all of those results that I can trawl through and look for myself. I've got to scroll down and see that. A bit further down, I've got exactly that. Here's some key results from the Microsoft 365 the tech community at Microsoft.com. And then a bit further down, we start to see, there's me. That is about enabling Loop, but it is a bit out of date, so maybe I should publish a new video to help with that. Key thing that I'm trying to show here is that it is all about the Copilot results and driving us to that. That all I did was search for enable Microsoft Loop. I've got a rundown here of the steps that I can choose and go through. I've got some references to where to find a bit more about that, and a block of text that I could copy and drop into an email. There's another source down here, Wikipedia, which, you choose whether you can trust that as a source. It is a community resource and it can be changed by people if they so wish. But I imagine the product group will be all over that, making sure that it is kept up to date and accurate. So yeah, interesting experience. It did hit the result that I was looking for. I am going to go and use this now to set it up in a demo tenant, but thought I'd just share that with you. It's a real example of searching for something and seeing how Copilot helps within this Bing search experience. And it's done a good job. Not bad, not bad.